Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a super awesome, fantabulously fun day. Today's a very exciting day because today we're going to learn all about the food chain. The food chain is very important and determines what all animals in the world eat. We start our journey into the food chain by looking at the bottom of it, plants. Plants eat sunlight and turn into energy for them. This is why plants need to be put out in the sun. They also take in yummy nutrients from the dirt around them. Some plants actually want to be eaten by animals as it helps spread their seeds, so they make yummy fruit like apples and oranges. Do you guys have a favorite fruit? Sounds yummy. Next up on the food chain is going to be the smaller animals that eat the plants. Here we're talking about things like bugs, mice, lizards, and all other sorts of creepy crawlies. There are also some animals like guppies and rabbits. While most of these animals are small, there are some huge ones like elephants and giraffes. These animals eat the plants only, making them what we call herbivores. Can you think of any animals that only eat plants? That's great! These animals sometimes are eaten by bigger animals, so they try to hide or defend themselves from their predators. Speaking of, our next stop on the food chain is going to be our regular-sized animals. This is going to include hawks, owls, snake, fish, and other regular-sized animals. These animals not only eat other animals, but are sometimes eaten by even bigger ones. They often eat a mix between the plants and the animals, making them what we call omnivores. Can you guys think of any other animals that eat plants and meat? That's great! And then finally, at the very top of the food chain, there are the animals that don't get eaten by anything. These are very big animals like lions and sharks. Can you think of any other big animals? That's awesome. Since they have no predators, these animals are at the top of the food chain. But you see, this is where the craziest thing about the food chain happens. Because not only is it a chain, but it's also a cycle. A cycle means that it goes in a circle. So, when the lion gets very old and tired, its nutrients pass into the earth and they're absorbed by the grass. The grass is eaten by the little animals are eaten by the bigger animals, and the bigger animals are eaten by the biggest animals, starting the whole thing all over again. I hope you all learned a lot about the food chain,